Hello friends, hope everything is fine with you guys. Welcome to our 8th problem. Find the runner-up score. Let's take a look at what is it. So here is the problem. Given the participants' score sheet for your university sports day, you are required to find the runner-up score. Runner-up means if you sort an array in a descending order, then from top the second one. Now store them. You are given n scores. We are getting an input n. So this is an integer. You are given n scores. Store them in a list and find the score of the runner-up. So what it is taking. The first line contains n. The second line contains an array of n integers, each separated by a space. So here is the sample input. So here 5 means it is taking scores of 5 students, and here are the scores 2, 3, 6, 6, 5. And what will be the sample output? 5. Why? Because the top score here is 6 and we need 5. So if you try to think according to our logic, if we sort this in descending order, we will be getting 6, 6, then 5. So what you need to do, you need to extract unique results or unique scores. So that is one take. Okay. Let's take a look at the explanation. So the output should be 5. Given list is this, the maximum score is 6, second number is 5. Hence we print 5 as the runner-up score. Alright. So again, I will recommend you to take some time, try to solve it yourself. If you can do it, awesome. If not, after counting up to 5, I will start solving this problem. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright. So what we have an integer n. So number of scores. Next, what is this? What is this? This is the second line. Okay. Here, see, we are taking input. But this second line, it will take input as a string. It will be taking multiple inputs. Okay, at one place. And since we are using map function, the input will be a string, and then we are performing the split function. By that, each number will be separated and then it will be converted to integer. Now still it will be a map object. We need to convert it to list. For that, let me create L and we are going to convert it to list. Like this. So list, and as an argument we are putting it ARR. Now if you take a look at list, then we will, let's take a look, say print L. I am running the code just to show you the result. I mean the L. Okay. Okay, wrong answer. Yeah, that is fine, because our target was to show that it is a list. All right. Okay. Yes. Another thing, as we can see here, that it is using this one only. So here we have 2 6s, right? We need to remove duplicate elements. How we can do that? The thing is, if you convert a list to set, it will get only the unique results. So let me show you. S equals set. We are converting the list to set by using the set function and taking L as argument. Next, let's print L. Print L. Remember, here it was 5 numbers. Now it will be having 4 numbers. Let's see. Okay, I am not printing anything, right? Or am I? Print, oh no, print S. I'm mad, I've gone mad. Okay, yeah. See, now we have 4 numbers, all unique. Alright, next. Now we need to sort it. For sorting, we need to convert it to list again. So L1 equals list, and what we are converting it? S. Alright. Now let's print L1. L1, not Li. Lithium. Oh no, I am not. I have clicked on submit code. Let's hit on run code. Okay, so we have converted to list. Alright. Now let's perform sort on L1. So sort L1. So previously it was 2365. Let's see. Run code. Okay, what just happened? Is it sorted? Yeah. Okay. 2356. Yeah. Alright. So it was sorted function actually. Now S2. Let's name it, because sorted it with we are going to put here sorted L1. You can rename it. You can rename the variables as your wish, but this is the thing. And here the thing is, by default, when you perform the sorted function, when you sort it, it will be in ascending order. Now we have this, right? How you get the last runner up? I mean, yeah, how you get the runner up from here? You can reverse it, but there is a really cool trick. In Python, we can use index of -1, -2. -1 means the last element and -2 means the second last element. Okay, so what we are going to print is 2, and we are providing index -2. By this we will be getting the runner up score. That's it, guys. Now let's hit run code. I'm not printing anything. Okay, yeah, that's it. Now let's hit on submit code. Yay! Alright, guys, so let me know if you have any issue. Now the thing is, if you have solved all of these problems with me, then I can assure that you have already built up a lot of confidence in yourself solving Python problems. See you in our next problem. Till then, have fun. Take care.